better to focus on one frame ki you donate to us and we show you exactly where you put the impact and give you proof so that you can use it for your promotion and stuff.
Welcome to second season of Funding Founders. Not just another startup event, but where founders, investors, and opportunities collide. An initiative founded by Maria Suri, विपुल त्यागी एंड प्रतीक चौरारिया। यहाँ फाउंडर सिर्फ नेटवर्किंग करने नहीं बल्कि अपने स्टार्टअप को पिच करने आए हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ एन इनक्रेडिबल इन्वेस्टर पैनल फीचरिंग साहिल जिंदल, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एट जिंदल ग्रुप्स एंड को-फाउंडर एट साइनर्जी लैब्स, तुषार गंडोत्रा, फाउंडर एट X42 Venture Studios and JNK Angel Network, Saurabh Agarwal, co-founder at Angel Bay, Amar Dikshit, founding partner and CIO at Swift Seed Ventures, and Nilanjay Gurk, founding member at Wise Angel Network. और स्टेज के सामने सिर्फ ऑडियंस नहीं होगी, the room will also have angel investors, builders and people actively looking for the next big opportunity. हर पिच के एंड पर इन्वेस्टर्स और ऑडियंस दोनों स्टार्टअप्स को स्कोर करेंगे और उन्हीं स्कोर्स के बेसिस पर डिसाइड होगा कौन बनेगा द विनर ऑफ फंडिंग फाउंडर सीजन 2। दिस इज नॉट जस्ट स्टार्टअप इवेंट, दिस इज वेयर आइडियाज गेट नोटिस्ड, फाउंडर्स गेट डिस्कवर्ड एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज बिकम रियलिटी।
Today, I'll start with my past story. I'll tell you, this idea came into being in the trains. I stopped at a place. It was a tea stall. And there was a small little guy working over there. And he was like, भैया मेरे को AI रिसर्च करना है, मेरे को साइंस पर काम करना है, मेरे को एजुकेट होना है, and I don't have resources. And he was working on a tea stall 5 a.m. in the morning probably. उसको मैं भी हेल्प नहीं कर पा रहा था. I was like, क्या कर सकते हैं? And this happened probably 5-6 years ago. फिर मैंने काफी टाइम सोचा, लाइफ में काफी हुआ, बहुत आइडिया सोचे, just in this to solve this problem, not in 100 more ideas. तो काफी टाइम सोचा, फिर I was doing my recently I graduated in December 24 from Syracuse University in New York. I was doing my MS in cybersecurity over there, and after that I worked for 1.5 years more, and I recently clicked with this idea when I came back home. It was like, let's connect the dots because we know a lot of money comes through philanthropy. A lot of people donate all around the world, but the right money never gets to the right people. So ये बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत की बात है क्योंकि ये गैप में काफी बार मिसयूज होता है मनी, काफी बार लॉस्ट हो जाता है in a lot of levels. I clicked up with this idea because out of all the ideas, this was the easiest to do. Like Uber or a lot of companies have done, like just connect the dots and you might be able to build a good company. You don't have to put a lot of manpower or build a lot of structure. I'll tell you about this company. This is the 100% trackable giving structure. Through this, we are able to track any donation made all around the world. You might have seen like a lot of money goes through the cash. Most of the platforms all around the world deal with the cash donations. So we convert the donated money to the coupons, restricted vouchers, or even EBT cards, if you might be familiar with. It will be like restricted debit cards. We'll tie with companies like MasterCard or Visa card. And we'll be using a restriction on the SKUs person can use for. They can buy like liquor or things to smoke or anything. So it will be 100% trackable. We are gonna like put the APIs, turn the money into donate coupons. So this is how we concluded that this can actually make a difference. It was recorded in December 2025 when Elon Musk and Nikhil Kamath were talking about donations, and Elon Musk actually mentioned that how big this problem is, and there's no solution. They love to donate, but he's not usually out there in the good pictures, just because money gets lost and they can never track it back. Like it is never traceable. People have used like blockchains, a lot of technology. We want to change this. I was directly like in good talks with people like, the director of cybersecurity at Alliance Group, Mr. Richard. I was on the call with him and he assured that he would love to join us later in the future as a CISO of the company because he wanted me to work actually on this. The grassroots, I've also talked with a lot of people in the community. People face this kind of problem that money usually gets lost. So if we turn it into coupons, for example, I go to the Walmart website or Zomato or any other website or Amazon, for example. So I'll just put the coupon in there. The coupon code over there, and as soon as a person uses that coupon, we'll get the name of the person. We'll be able to see when they made the use of this coupon, and also we'll be able to track the impact. So there are the 3 ways of making the money right here. First will be we'll take the 2% of any donated money, and it will be the transaction fee. And 3% we'll keep for running our company. So all the whole of the 95% of the money will be donated. The second will be the 3 to 5% will be the API interchange kickback. We're going to use the API integration from the companies. And for example, they redeem the coupon on the Amazon. Amazon will give us 3 to 5% of the coupon we use. So that will be clean profit of 3 to 5% on every transaction made. And the third will be, we'll be tying up with a lot of companies and, software as a service we provide to a lot of companies. We can have this platform for another user, but we don't want to do it. But like, for example, a lot of companies do donate the money, not donate, but they give the money coupons to their employees, right? A lot of companies love to like Zara coupons. Okay, go buy something on Diwali. We can also do that. Like a lot of companies are doing that recently, like even got funded for that. So that's a small part, but we might not go in that direction. But we can use certainly few of those features. I'm building this company from probably 3 to 4 months now. The best part is we have a small team. So I'm the founder. I have one co-founder. That is why we are not asking for such less amount, because we can actually make it really big. I think so, because it's a $1 trillion market and $500 billion market is there in the US. We'll be needing like 55% taking API integration. A lot of companies tie up, like get the partners like Walmart or Wendy's or anything like that. Second will be, like we will have to get a lot of people in the sales, because that's super important. In the US, everything is branded. For example, if you want to get some burger or something, you will go to Walmart or branded place, branded store. But in India, we have the local shops and everything. So this won't work in India. This can only work in the US for now. We have a different strategy for India. We have been thinking on it. In India, like for example, we can do like proof of impact. People love it. तो WhatsApp पे हम मैसेज भेजेंगे कि भाई ये कुछ गाय का है, गाय को खिलाना है एंड कोई भंडारा करना है, तो उसके लिए आप डोनेशन करो and we'll give the WhatsApp notification.
One question I have is, are you taking money from the CSR departments of the companies, right? Or you're taking money from the end normal consumers like us? Like, from where are you taking the money for these coupons?
It won't be just for the CSR. It will be just through the donations. We'll be doing the same what GoFundMe does, is like crowdfunding as well. If I educate you, you will need some money for some purpose. For example, you want to treat your family for something, or if you need some monthly essentials like get your groceries for the month. So you will actually create this on a platform, and then you will go out to the people कि मुझे पैसा दो, मेरे को महीने का सामान चाहिए. एंड आप जब वो करोगे तो आपको इम्पैक्ट मिलेगा. आपको मैसेज ईमेल में आएगा कि आपने ये इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट किया अपने डोनेशन से. तो मनी आपका लॉस नहीं होगा, मिसयूज नहीं होगा.
There are two different things. The first thing जो आपने बताया कि Elon Musk and Nikhil Kamath has a problem कि they don't know where their money goes. Okay.
Yeah.
The companies have a problem that if they donate, they don't know where the money goes. What you're trying to say is already there in the market in one way or the other. For example, there are many donation websites, donate for this particular person's money and stuff. That is safe. The problem that I'm seeing here is that consumer already have multiple options to do this. So I don't think that can be a very interesting model to work on. But the other way around, the CSR, where a company donates to you and you show them where the money is going.
Yeah.
I feel that can be an interesting model in this case, because there the donation is in 6 figures, or I'm not sure 7 figures, but at least 6 figures it's there in US. And now if you tell them that this is how you are going to donate and stuff, and then they can use there for marketing, promotions and stuff, there you have a repeating customer, which is going to give you money every year. India, maybe this model will work or not, but the other one, which is the end coupon and stuff, I don't think so it's going to be a big thing in the US as well. B2B is something which I feel would be much more interesting for people.
Yeah, also we can also work with a lot of philanthropists, like a lot of philanthropists love to donate every year. A lot of companies donate, so we can work with them and be like, oh, we will give you the proof of impact, or whatever you have donated. I'll show you the the receipt where your money went. So I think everyone will love it. And I understand for the CSR thing, you say that's a small market. I think that's around $30 billion. The whole market is $500 billion in the US. So if we work for all the three sectors, like this will be a two-way pipeline. We'll get the money from the philanthropists and the companies, and second will be the person who is receiving it. So the normal people, they'll reach out. Also, we'll be giving the money.
I think too many things at once. Focus on the CSR, get a traction, then only you can find the philanthropist to see. CSR is coming from big companies where the founder or the CEO is already a philanthropist. So if he sees that, okay, this is working, maybe I can donate money and I can see where it's going, then maybe they will also pitch in. But I think start with one thing and then move to other. Better to focus on one frame key. You donate to us and we show you exactly where you put the impact. And give you proof so that you can use it for your promotion and stuff. And you will have a repeatable customer with hardly any churn, I think so.
For example, I have talked with the CEO of Starpiller, Jason Storch. I was on a video call with him, and like he was also super interested. Okay, he said himself that I have heard a lot of companies who are doing a lot of things. Like people have implemented blockchain. People, for example, there's this company named Charity Water. The person did is like he was able to fill a lot of water in the cans, and he was able to put tracking system on every can, and through the Google Maps he was showing the impact. and he has a green dollar company, Shukto. So he was like, okay, this is a different idea. Like I would love to make sure that even in the future, if we do any donations, I'll come to you and we'll do the donations through a platform.
Thank you so much. Kindly take your phone once again and based on the pitch, please vote them.
तो जल्दी जाके कमेंट सेक्शन में आप भी इनको 5 में से रेट कर दो और बताओ अगर आप इन्वेस्टर की जगह होते तो क्या आप इन्वेस्ट करते। सब्सक्राइब कर लो हमारे चैनल को, क्योंकि हमारा भी यूट्यूब के पैसे से किसी स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट करने का सपना है जो सिर्फ आप पूरा करा सकते हो। और अगर आप भी फंडिंग फाउंडर्स पे अपना स्टार्टअप पिच करना चाहते हो या शो को लाइव अटेंड करना चाहते हो तो बायो में दिए गए नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप कर दो। चलो फिर अगले एपिसोड में मिलते हैं।